Have you ever pondered the question, what if tomorrow brings an unforeseen emergency? The importance of being prepared cannot be overstated. One small but crucial detail often overlooked is the type of diapers we pack in our emergency bags. This is especially vital for parents with little ones or those caring for individuals with special needs. It is easy to assume that a quick grab of a few disposable diapers and pull-ups would suffice. However, have you considered the practicality of such a choice? Imagine trekking through the woods, your emergency bag weighing down with a box of disposable diapers. And where would you dispose of them? Leaving a trail of used diapers in your wake is less than ideal and certainly not environmentally friendly. That's where the brilliance of cloth diapers comes into play. Lightweight and reusable cloth diapers are a boon in emergency situations. They can be vacuum sealed, taking up minimal space in your bag, and the weight is practically negligible. But what about cleaning, you may ask? It's simpler than you might think. A quick hand wash in a nearby river or stream followed by air drying on a branch will do the trick. In this way, cloth diapers can be used repeatedly, unlike their disposable counterparts, which serve a one-time use. The same principle applies to baby wipes. Consider packing cloth baby wipes in your emergency bag. Like cloth diapers, they can be vacuum sealed, washed, and reused, making them an efficient choice in situations where resources may be limited. In conclusion, the type of diapers you pack in your emergency bag matters. Cloth diapers and wipes are lightweight, reusable, and easy to clean, making them a practical and eco-friendly choice. They take up less space, leave no trace, and can be used repeatedly, unlike disposable diapers and wipes. And remember, being prepared goes beyond packing the bare essentials. It involves considering every detail, no matter how small, and making choices that are practical, efficient, and sustainable. So when packing your emergency bag, give thought to the type of diapers you include. Your future self and the environment will thank you. Stay tuned for more tips on emergency preparedness. Links with information on where to purchase cloth diapers and wipes at the most affordable prices will be provided in the video description. Until next time, stay prepared, stay safe, and keep thinking ahead.